Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to today's Mandala Challenge 2. Angles are marked at every 30 degrees and I'll tell you the radius of these circles and the radius will be always in centimeters. This is 2.1, 3.2, 5.7, 8.2. So once the grids were fully made, the next thing that I did was to draw this curve freehand, and that is what I did all over the circle. Once the smaller curves were done, in this circle, I roughly marked the center. In each grid, I did that and then drew this leaf freehand. If you want, you can use protractor, but I did not. And leaves were done all over the circle, and then this curve also freehand. So once this leaf and this freehand curve was done, the next step was from here to this point, I drew curve again from here to here. So this forms a broad leaf pattern, and that is what I did all over the circle again. So after this broad leaf pattern is done, then I drew this I shape. I drop or I think this is an I shape. So I shape I drew all over the circle again. So that's how this entire mandala was done. Now go ahead, paint the mandala as colorful as possible and share it with me.